everyone. My name is Kim, and I'm the happiest cook. Southern cooking has its own unique style, right? It's kind of relaxed. You don't really rush around. It's just easygoing cooking. Well, the reason this is because all the side dishes are all done ahead or brought over for dinner by your friends, and all you have to do is worry about the star of the show. Well, today the star of our show is fried fish. Whether it's perch, crappie, flounder, mullet, cod, trout, and of course, one of my all-time favorites, catfish. So today, it's fried catfish for me and fried cod for my husband. Not a huge catfish fan, but cod is good. I mean, seriously, you can fry any fish following this recipe and it will turn out yummy. So, I've got all my things ready. Do you have yours? Like I always say, let's get cooking. We are ready to start our fish. Okay, so my fish has been soaking in buttermilk in the fridge for 30 minutes. And I am going to take them out, just kind of de-drip them. Mostly because it'll be a lot easier. Okay. We're going to mix our topping. It's very simple. It's our flour, our cornmeal, our salt and pepper, and my Creole seasoning, which is my own recipe, and it is on my blog. I'll have a link to that at the bottom. Or you can use Zatarain's makes a good Creole seasoning if you just want to use that. So then what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up. We're going to dip our fish, and then we're going to put our fish on this rack right here, and we're just going to let it sit before we start frying. So, very simple. Make sure you get it all coated and just sit it there. Like that. I was going to tell you guys a story. This video, I have not approved this, what I'm about to do with my camera guy, but I know he would love it. We are dedicating this fish fry to my little brother, Kevin. Today is his birthday, and he was the grand fisherman in the family when we were growing up. He was such a kid, it was so much fun, and he loves fishing. So, Kev, this one's for you. And this is the catfish. No, Kevin didn't, he caught catfish, but he did a lot of crappie and bass, trout, stuff like that. And boy, we did have fun growing up close to the water. We grew up in Florida a good portion of our life, and there's a lot of fishing going on as a kid. All right. Let's get this. There we go. All right. Now we're going to let our fish sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. This is why I wear gloves. And then we're going to fry them. Our fryer is almost at temperature. It needs to be at 375 when we start frying, and then we'll just adjust as we need to keep it right around 375. So if you have a candy thermometer or a frying thermometer, either one will work. Mine is at almost 300, and that is a candy frying thermometer, and it just clips to the side of my pan. You put it in the oil, don't let it hit the bottom, and then just watch the temperature gauge. It has been 20 minutes. My oil is hot and ready. My fish is ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to carefully lay the fish in the oil, and hopefully if all goes as planned, when the fish is cooked, the fish should lift in the oil. So let's see. How this goes. So we're going to let that cook. Be careful, it is really, really hot oil. And as it cooks and it is ready to come out, you'll see it kind of lift. It'll turn a real pretty golden brown. It's time to take our fish out. So I am going to just take it out with my skimmer ladle here and put it on a rack. And once I get all the fish out, we will come back and we'll plate it up, and I get to taste. Okay, here we go. We have our fish all ready. I went and made some homemade coleslaw. You have to have your coleslaw with your fish. And let's take a bite. And Well, that's it for fish today, and I do thank you for joining me here on The Happiest Cook. It was a blast. I love cooking and I love fish, one of my favorite things. So if you enjoyed it and would like, please hit the subscribe button. We always appreciate subscribers. And we have more food coming from the beautiful state of Georgia, so stay tuned. And like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.